Hey, this is Jeff Renault from My Content Creator Pro. Today I'm going to show you how you can get access to our new My Content Creator Pro free version, which is an autoblogging plugin for WordPress, okay? Super simple, easy. What you'll be able to do is you'll be able to go to the description below this YouTube video and you'll be able to download it for 100% free. I'm going to show you how you can set up the autoblogging today in your WordPress website. I'm going to do it in mine. And like I said, you don't have to use the Autoblogger for your WordPress website. You can actually just post articles also. So you can do autoblogging in WordPress and you can just post articles with My Content Creator Pro, the free version. Okay. This is a WordPress plugin with over 1 million evergreen niche articles. Okay. We are adding new articles every single month, so we're going to keep adding them, and things are going to keep getting better and better and better. Okay, so like I said, just watch the video so you can see it, but if you're in a hurry and you want to go get the plugin right now, you can click the link below this video and get it today for 100% free, okay? So what I want to do is, here I am in my test website here in the dashboard. So once it's installed, you just come down here to My Content Creator Pro, the free version, and then you go to auto content creation. Okay, so right here you can tell this is the area where you can search articles. This isn't the auto blogging part. This is just the standard part. Okay, so you can see right here literally that we have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different categories you can choose from. Now you can click on one of those and do a search under this topic, or what you can do, this is what I do a lot of time, is you can just, let me go back up here. You can just go right here, and let's say you just want to look up a topic. So I'm just going to do garden, so like gardening, and you just click, let me just copy this. Then what you can do is just click search category, and then what will happen is it will show down here how many different pages of articles there are. So you can see right here, that there's 30 different pages of all these different articles that you can get access to. Now, if you're not using the auto blogging part, okay, what you basically do is you just pick which articles that you want. So I'm just going to pick the first 5 right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what we do is we just add them. So save results. Okay. Now we can come over here to import results, and then you can see right here all these articles right here. All right. You can see all these right here. And I had some more here from before. So what you can do is very simple. You can delete them, or you can add the post, okay, to a post. So you just click add on post, and then it's added the post. So we can come right over here and we can click and we can see this post right here. So we can see here's the article right here. Okay, I'm going to show you another cool feature. Okay, so now let's go back over here to the plugin. So let's go back over here, and let's say that you want an image now for your particular article. So we're just going to put garden here. So we're going to do a search, and then right here you have access to tons and tons and tons of different pictures that have to do with gardening. Okay, and then the same thing over here. If you just come over here and you just click in here, you'll actually be able, if you type in garden, you'll be actually just, I don't have this part set up in the testing site with the API that you guys will actually be able to set up. But if you put garden right there and you click search, it'll pull up a whole bunch of YouTube videos that you can decide which one you want to use, and you can post it into your WordPress website. Super simple. Now let's go over to the auto blogging part. Okay, so you just click right here, and then what you do is you set up a add new campaign. So we're just going to do the same thing. We're just going to call this one garden. And then we come over here. I would just do one article. I wouldn't do one every hour. You could if you want to at first, but I would just do one a day. And then right here, like I showed you, this right here, if you put the image, so we just put garden, that will actually add the image to your WordPress post. Okay, so let's go here. This is the video. So what this will do is this will add the image, and this right here will add the YouTube video to your blog post. Okay, with our auto blogging WordPress plugin, My Content Creator Pro, the free version. Okay, then you can come down here and you can pick on which category you want. Obviously, we'd be picking in gardening, so I'll just do garden. And then what we do is it's literally as simple as this. We just click search category, and it's going to pull the articles up again. And I'll show you how simple this is. Okay, so literally you just scroll down here and you see all these articles that you can use with the topic of garden or gardening or whatever. And you can see on this page, it just keeps on scrolling. It doesn't have pages where you click on, but you can see how many articles that is. I mean, just me scrolling. I mean, there's a ton, okay? And we're just going to keep adding more and more articles. So you're not going to run out of articles, okay? So now what we do is the same way. We just pick the articles that we want, okay? So I'm just going to pick these ones right here. We're going to pick the first 5. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click Save Campaign. So now what it's done, okay, it's just doing it right now in the background. Then what we do is we come over here to Schedule Post. Now we can actually see right here, these are scheduled to go out. Today is the, let's see here, we've got October 30th, 2024. So you can tell right here that these are going to go out on the 31st, the 1st of November, then the 2nd, then the 3rd, and then the 4th. So these are going to automatically post. They're going to post with your images and your videos if you set those up. And then if you want to, what you can do is you can come over here to Autoblogging, and this will show you if you want to edit what we just set up. You can go in here and you can edit it. It shows it's processing, or you can delete it. It is that simple, okay? So thanks again for watching this video. This is Chatport Nova. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.